Hey everybody, it's me, Mariah, aka Right Baby. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you're returning, hey girl, hey, what's up? What's up? Okay, but as you can see, I'm going to be washing and revamping this hair. I love it when it's big, but sometimes it needs to be tamed. So first things first, we're going to wash it. I'm using my bathtub. I am going to be collecting all the hair that I can, but I'm going to be just co-washing it because once you shampoo it, you know, it kind of dries it out and stuff. So I only shampoo it when I need to, but for the most part I just co-wash it. So I'm just drenching the hair, and then I'm using the OGX conditioner, the blue one, and then I'm just going to be saturating the hair. So after you saturate the hair, what you want to do is run your fingers through it, rub in the conditioner, and then take the brush that you have, the tangling brush, and then just brush it through. Collect any hair that you can so it doesn't clog up your drain. And this is how much hair that I got from this. And now moving on to adding in some leave-in conditioner. This is actually regular conditioner, the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration conditioner, but I'm using it as a leave-in, and then I'm going to let this air dry overnight. Okie doke, so it is the next day. I have an elastic band on my wig, and I'm just putting that on. I usually wear this as a non-glued down unit. When I first put it on, I did glue it down, but now I just added the elastic band so I won't have to. And I'm just lining everything up, and then I'm going to fix my baby hairs first. What I'm doing is just spraying the hairline, and then I'm just going to be using this foaming lotion and my edge brush to swoop my baby hairs. Now you guys, this is like my third time buying this specific hair from Isee Hair Company. It is their Mongolian Kinky Curly. If you did not know, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I have in a frontal and only 2 bundles. I have a completely full bundle left. So I might remake the wig and add the 3rd bundle, or I might just make a 2nd wig because I have another bundle from when I bought it before. But you guys, this hair is so soft. It's really easy to work with. I love this curl pattern. It is so natural. It's just really, really beautiful. Super soft, like I said. I really love it. And this is all I really need to do is once I do my baby hairs, everything is pretty much set. I really don't have to do anything besides add in a few bobby pins. Because this is first day hair, I do want to pick it out. Excuse my bro. But I do want to pick it out just so that it's not that it can be a little bit bigger. I like a lot of volume in my hair, so I'm just taking my time and picking it out. I don't want to pick it out too much because I don't want to create frizz, but you guys can definitely see the difference picking makes. So that's why I really like to go in and pick as much as I can. Here I'm just doing my final touches, making sure everything is to my liking before I go in with some bobby pins and secure the back of the wig. So this is the finished look, everyone. I did go in and fix my part because I know you can see the cap underneath, but other than that, everything turned out great. Thank you guys for watching, and do stay tuned to my next one. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos.